What's going on here? Spare. Damn. Spare. Come on. Ah. Oh no! Come on. Spare. Oh no! Missed everything. Spare. Strike. Damn. Not playing well. I won, but that's my best game, that's for sure. Second round. Here we go. Strike. Double. Turkey. Split. This is so annoying. I wish I could turn these off. Strike. Double. Turkey. Ah. Oh, I missed. 209. I definitely won that. That's a good score, 209. It's not bad. This is Golden Fever. Damn. Last try. Nope. Yeah, I want to try one more time. I just bowled a game of 209 and now I can't even get... Oh well. That's the way she goes sometimes. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's go time. There we go. There we go. That's better. Now I'm on a roll. Oh shit. Let's go. Damn. There we go. 219.